So we're adjusting Rocio today. Rocio is 5 months pregnant, and she's having some low back pain on the left side here. Really a lot of low back pain, right? And this is common, especially around the 5th month of pregnancy is when women typically start having back pain, and that's due to shifting of the baby pulling down on the spine, causing a shifting of the bones that relationship to each other. It's mechanical pain. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to get reliant on Tylenol and ibuprofen and of these other medications for this pain, because that may affect the developing fetus, the developing child. So I'm going to adjust these joints down here to take some of the pressure off those joints and make her feel better. Now this is safe, very safe for the child, for the developing child. I mean, there's many exercise programs, maternity exercise programs. So it's safe to be active. It's safe to exercise and all these other things, okay? All right, so I'm gonna hold you stable here. I want you to just relax. Up through here, I feel you tightening up. We're just gonna put a little of force.
Oh,
That's all.
feels good.
That's all, okay?
Yeah. Oh,
Does it feel good?
feels good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's adjusting the pregnant mother to be, the expected mother to be, okay? Thank you.